All right, let's see. This is just after some rain. Water's kind of icky looking. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you all the different bubbles and little bits of debris. Nothing terrible. It's not a bad storm or nothing, but not something that you want to go putting your bits and pieces in, you know? Not usually, I guess. Some might. But just to show you kind of how it's looking today. And in through here is where we have muskrats that hide. And through there, the baby ducks with mom like to swim underneath there for a little protection sometimes. Oh, I see ripples down there. Can you see them? Something was playing in the water while I was talking. We sometimes see turtles on that log, snakes swimming down the stream. And over in this area is where the beaver likes to play. Yes, a legit beaver. We watch him pulling logs and stuff over there. Very cool. Very quiet today, very calm.